Oh yeah, YouTube. George here. Hope you're all well. And this here is Ian Stalker IX. One of a pair. You might remember I had the video a while back with Garrett's one. And the two of these came from the same seller in Belgium. And sold to two different guys in different parts of the UK. And now both of them have ended up back together here. So this thing, the meter is jacked anyway, so we'll go at that first. We'll break it down. I think it needs to be tuned, and whatever else he has on the list, I'll have to look that up. So yeah, stick around. It's going to be interesting. In this game, you think you see everything, and then you come across this. Looks to me like they're reducing the input from the aerial. Why? I don't know. I have it turned on here, and compared to that, I was listening on my own Stalker 9 there, it's very quiet. So we're going to pull all that shit out of there, and I bet you the receiver will pop right back up there. Now it has a signal meter, and it's been leadified. So yeah, she's coming along. We just have to tune it now. I think before we do that, we'll service all the controls. Okay, Ian, so we have her tuned up now. So you see the clarifier is bang on at 12 o'clock, and if I just flip it to AM, she's bang on. Go to sideband. 1 2 1 2 1 2. A bit more volume here. 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. And we go to lower sideband. And I just put the phone down for a second. Yeah, there we go. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 1 2. Audio. So that's lower sideband. AM. 1 2 1 2. Check check 1 2 1 2 3 4. Check check. So she's spot on frequency. Went through all the rest of it. Signal meter is set. Power meter is set. So you can see there on AM. And then on sideband. So she is good to go. I'm going to clean the lids up now and put it back together, and that'll be it then. And yeah, handy enough. LED in the, well, there's actually two LEDs in it, one on each side. I just find it lights the meter better when you put two in it. So had a bit of hassle with the meter, but it is what it is, you know. But she's bang on now. Nice little radio. So happy days. So I'll get it back together, and we'll do a few parting shots then. So, Ian, this radio is finished. And came out nice. LED meter, and tuned it up and cleaned it and came out nice. So it's ready to go back. So thanks for sending it over. Enjoyed working on it, and I hope you enjoy it and look after it. So we'll get you in the next one. All the best.